Avalyn. I'm going to show you today how to add hair tinsel to your American Girl doll's hair. All you need is some hair tinsel, which you can buy online. It comes in big packages like this in many different colors. This is purple because I want to add it to Luciana's purple streak. It also came with this little crochet hook. As you can see, it has this little piece that moves up and down. This is the kind you want. So look for a set of hair tinsel that comes with one of these tools. It's super handy. And that's all you need. So let's get started. What you do is you don't want to open it at this end because you're just going to make a mess, even though it's already open here, because you could just, unfold it and open it and pull it out. But the best way to do it is actually to open it up here, right below the little line. This way I can actually just pull this out a little tiny bit. It's all gathered into one little twist tie right here, which you can pop out, or you can just leave it right there. Just gonna hook it, pull it out. Oop, and I could pull it all the way with that, or I could gently just use my hand, take my hand and pull this one single strand out. Ooh, that is really long. So these strands are, as you can see, they're probably 4 feet long. I think they're 40 inches. If I fold it in half, it looks like it's a little less than 2 feet when it's folded in half. So, woo, there it is, super long. So what you want to do, fold in half, and then take the little loop at the top. That's the halfway mark. And that's going to be my little loop. I'm going to hold on to this itty bitty tiny loop right there. You see that? I'll hold on to that loop. Now, take your doll. Let's see if I can do this. I'm going to part her hair. I'm going to look for Luciana, I want to put it right on her purple part. So I'm going to lift up this outer layer of hair and find where her purple part is. Now you can use a brush at this point if you want to separate the layers, but I just want to lift this top layer back and expose that wig cap right there. You can see where her wig is. And I'm going to go a little bit lower so that I can get to the purple streak because I want to put it right on top of the purple. Aha, now I can see there's actually a black thread right here that the purple, where the purple left is. So I really want to get to that and expose that. That's where I want to hook in my tinsel. There we go, right there. So can you see that? This little line, it's like a double line of black thread. That's what I want. Now I'm going to come in from the top. I'm going to put my crochet hook right, now I can fold this under, let's do that. So you have your hook out like that. I'm going to slip it right underneath. Oops, let's try to get that under there. I want to get it right underneath the wig, so I'm underneath the stitches. Now that I have this up, now I don't want to pull on that because I don't want to pull any stitches out or loosen her wig. Right now I'm going to hook this right on my crochet hook. So now my crochet hook has grabbed the tinsel. I'm going to push it through a little bit more, fold this over. Can you see that in the crochet hook? So that it's closed. I don't want to grab any other hair, so I'm just going to be careful not to grab any other hair. I'm going to pull that tinsel right through. Now, let go. I have this nice loop that has been pulled through. I haven't pulled everything through, just that loop. That's the halfway point of the tinsel. I'm going to put my fingers through that loop. Now you can do this with a crochet hook, but I'm going to do it with my fingers. And I'm going to grab the 2 strands of tinsel and pull them through the hoop. And let that go tight. Pull the tinsel all the way through. And then pull it back down in the way the hair goes. And just make sure that's nice and snug. Nice and snug and tight. And that is it. I have my hair tinsel. Now, of course, it's super long. So here's the other piece. The other piece is actually a little bit pink. This one was purple. But I'm going to go ahead and gather them right there. Now, I can add more too. But as you can see, this hair tinsel is super long. It's much longer than her hair. In fact, I probably could have just used half of this strand. But I'm going to go ahead and snip it right at the same length as her hair. I don't want to snip her hair, so be very careful. Find how long her hair is, and then just snip the tinsel at the same length as her hair. Right there. Oh, there's one side. Come on. These aren't the greatest scissors. There you go. I got 2 extra pieces of hair tinsel. Now, these are nice short pieces. I'm going to save these. I could reuse these somewhere. This piece I could add into some bangs, or I could just throw it away. I'm going to set it aside for now. But that's my extra tinsel. Now I can lift up Luciana and let's see how she looks. And here she is with her hair tinsel added to her purple streak. It looks so cool. I went ahead and pulled her hair back just to show off her streak. So this was only a few strands, but it adds just the right amount of bling. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more.